Hey everybody, it's me, Sebastian GTZ. Tomorrow's July 4th. Tomorrow's July 4th, and we got all these fireworks for July 4th.
The jumping jacks, oh, these are the good ones.
We got the whistlers, the one that goes.
These are the good ones. These are the ones that just explode.
We got a rocket right here. Some Duncan. Another whistlers. We got the artillery shell. The artillery shell, assorted, 6 shots. I meant.
Yeah. Move. What you do?
We got this thing. It's called the plum flower and spring. This thing, it goes like it shoots like a lot of sparks and colors.
I'm gonna just put all the ones without the package over here. What are you doing? You're messing up everything.
We have these things, the M150. These things just bleed your ears.
And then all these ones are just all separate, dude. What? Stop grabbing things. You're just dropping everything. Bro. Yeah, but
alright, so we got our firecrackers. These things just bleed your ears too. We got this thing. We still haven't tried it out yet. It's called a rotating triangle thing that flies. We have these planes.
Bro, stop taking it out. Just wait to see from there.
We got these planes called the plane flying at night. And then we have this thing right here. It's called the artificial satellite. Yep. And we have like a.
Bro, watch these light up in the middle of the night.
And what else? Yeah, we got these. We got the Shazam box. We haven't tried it out yet, so we're just saving it all for July 4th.
Yeah, thank you, Paul.
We have another M50, M150. Yeah, we have this thing out of the package. Says warning, only use under supervision. So yeah, that thing's very dangerous. We have a Spartan's Warrior. That thing is gonna be good. We have this thing right here, that big tube. This thing right here, this plane right here, it just shoots up, and then after, like, before it dies, it shoots like a bunch of sparks.
Like a massive bomb with these ones.
I know. Like intent.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Yeah, we have a box full. We have 2 of these Spartan Warriors things. You know what? We got all this. We got double the things for buy one get one free. And we got another pack of fireworks. Here's the other rocket that we had.
I seen the ones. They were like M180.
Here's the other artillery shell. Oh yeah, these things. These things,
Hey, wash your hands, cause then you might shoot with fuses and stuff.
Yeah, wash your hands.
This thing right here, they spin really fast and like fly towards the air. So they like, and then it just ends. And then like whoever falls gets lucky. And yeah, they get cancer. Yeah, like I said, the rocket. I just wanted to show it again if you didn't see, get a shot of it. We got another of the thing. Let me see. Is there anything else? Nope. Alright. We have more fireworks. This one is not for us. It's for someone else. But all this is like us. This July 4th is gonna be amazing. Hell yeah. Alright guys, see you tomorrow. Happy 4th of July.
You can't, this is the tongue.
Happy 4th of July, everybody. From Milo. Bye. Milo.